Ndewono. Welcome back to my Igbo lesson class. My name is Genekashuku. This class is the continuation of the previous one we did, where we taught how to count 1 to 20. Now we'll start from 21. And if you can recall, in my last class, I vividly explained the difference between 20 and 12. 20 is 10 in two different places, that is iri abua, while 12 is 10 and 2, that is iri na abua. So if you have learned from 1 to 20, it will help you in this one we are going to teach now. 21 is iri abua, that is 20 is iri abua, right? Now 21 is iri abua na otu. You remember 10 is iri na otu. Now 20 is iri abua, right? 21 will now be iri abua na otu. The same way 12 is iri na abua. 22 is now iri abua na abua. 23 is iri abua na ato. 24 iri abua na ano. Iri abua na ise. Iri abua na isii. Iri abua na asaa. Iri abua na asato. Iri abua na iteghete. Now 30 is iri ato. That is 10 in 3 places. 10, 10, 10. Iri ato. Ato is 3, right? If you can recall. Now 30 is iri ato, that is 10 in 3 different places. The same way 20 is iri abua, 10 in 2 different places. That is the same way 30 is iri ato, 10 in 3 different places. Now 31, the same way you count from 20 to 29, calling it iri abua na otu. That is the same way you will count 31 to 39. Iri ato na otu, iri ato na abua, iri ato na ato, iri ato na ano, iri ato na ise, iri ato na isii, iri ato na asaa, iri ato na asato, iri ato na iteghete. You go to 40. That is 10 in 4 different places. That is iri ano. Iri ano. Iri is 10 in 4 different places. That is iri ano. Keep practicing this. It will help you. Keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. We'll come back. Thank you.